Hello and welcome. In this video, we bring to you a two-story house built using 5 shipping containers in Buckingham, Texas, United States. Welcome back. This two-story modern house is built using 5 40-foot shipping containers. The containers sit on a concrete pier foundation to elevate the modules away from moisture. They are stacked 3 downstairs and 2 upstairs. The 2 containers upstairs are placed side by side on top of the ground floor containers and set apart to create a lovely outdoor living space. The entire structure is covered with a big lean-to roof and some rooftop terrace. The main entrance is a glass swing door with a red painted door frame to announce its presence. This private entrance welcomes you to the ground floor level of the house, which comes with hardwood floors throughout, good-sized windows, and an open living concept. The kitchen features granite countertops, modern appliances, and enough storage cabinets. Next to the kitchen is a simple lounge area fitted with comfortable sofa seats, and the container cutouts in this area were fixed on the wall to emphasize the industrial style of the house. The living area is fitted with a well-crafted wooden door that also leads to the outdoor deck. From the living area is a spacious corridor that leads to the bedrooms with a serene indoor-outdoor flow. One end of the containers in the first bedroom provides ample accommodation. This bedroom has a simple single bed and a lovely sitting area. It is fitted with good-sized windows for adequate daylighting and close ventilation. Adjoining the first bedroom is a gorgeous and cleverly designed wet room-style shower area. There is a second bedroom fitted with a comfortable bed and enough storage drawers. Next to the second bedroom is a bathroom space with a modern wash-hand basin, storage cabinets, a separate toilet, and a walk-in shower. Furthermore, there is a laundry room fitted with a washer and dryer with lots of storage. A metal staircase from the laundry area leads to the upper floor of the house. The 2 40-foot containers on the upper story are set apart to create a big outdoor sitting area in the midsection of the house. The third bedroom is located on the upper story and it's served by a spacious bathroom with a tub. The upper story has got more space to accommodate more rooms, ideal for a big family. A metal staircase from the second floor leads to a rooftop deck where you can enjoy outdoor living. Which part of this container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to this and our sister channel, The Architainer, where we feature modern and high-quality shipping container designs anyone can adopt to make their dream home. The new design for this week is live. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.